Hello. So in this video we'll be seeing the different types of nodes that are available in Isilon. Isilon had Gen 4 nodes earlier. So in Gen 4 nodes we have three different types of series of nodes. The one S series, the second one X series, the third one NL series and HD series. So these different series of nodes serve different purpose of these features. The first S-series node are good in transactional IOPS, and the second one X-series nodes are good in concurrency and streaming throughput. The third, the NL and HD are more of nearline and deep archive. So these three different types of nodes come under Gen 4. So in S series we have S200 nodes, and in X series we have X400 and X200, and in NL series we have NL400, in HD we have HD400. And these S series use SAS and SSD as a data drives, and X series use SATA, SAS and SSD, and the NL use only SATA as they are more of archive purpose. And later on EMC came with Gen 5 nodes where they made minor change, and then the types of the model node came different: S210, X410, X210, NL410 and HD400. So these were the different nodes that came on Gen 5 series. And so when you want to find out when you see a node on series with S210, that means S denotes the um, series of node, and 2 denotes the rack unit, and 1 denotes the minor change in the code, and the other number, the next digit denotes the major release. So these are the numbering of node type till Gen 5. And the new Gen, that is a Gen 6 node, came with a different model and different numbering pattern. So EMC came with Gen 6 or series of nodes where they had full flash array introduced, that is F series, which had F800 node. And for transactional IOPS they replaced the S series with the H series and H600, which is for transactional, and also they bought H500 and H400 for concurrency and streaming, and all this into a single H series. And they bought A for archive, they bought 200 and 2000 series. So these were the new generation of nodes that EMC has released, and this F800 is full flash array where it has all the drives as a flash, and this is quite expensive and has more of high performance and low latency in terms. So these were the different series of nodes and different generation of nodes that Isilon has. And in the market you can see Gen 6 nodes are now getting more of reach, where we can see more of F800 series and H500 series of nodes. On the other hand, we can see how the cluster is made. So when you want to build up a cluster, so you will need minimum of 3 nodes in Gen 5 and minimum of 4 nodes in Gen 6. So we'll see the difference in the next video.